You are going to love the 2025 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi Certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.